Hey Hotkeys, Andi here, back with another advanced OBS tutorial, and today we're kind of merging two tutorials that I've done already. The movement plugin and also rotation. You can combine them both to create some nice cool little effects. I'm just going to show you a very basic one in this tutorial. Literally, you could do whatever you want with this. The possibilities are pretty much endless. There's so many crazy things that I'm trying out on my channel. So if you want to take a look at them, come to twitch.tv/AndyLippy. I'm streaming twice a day, midday British time and also 6 PM British time. 6 PM is usually more for community games though. But before we get into this, like the video, also subscribe if I have helped you out, because there's plenty of content coming in the future. Right, let's get on with it. Put your rock over the stone, let's go. So just before we get into this, you can check out some of the videos that I've done in the Stream Aid playlist if you want to know a bit more in depth on the movement plugin and also the rotation plugin. There's loads of other stuff in there. You check that out just up there. But let's get on with it. The thing I'm going to show you today is how to add rotation to a movement. Kind of like that. Really nice, easy way to do it, okay? So we're going to get down to the OBS website and go to the move transition. All the links are down below. Before we download it though, get registered on this website and leave a review for Exeldro, because he does some incredible plugins. If there's any features that you want to see, let us know in the comments below, and I literally always pass every single suggestion onto Exeldro. Even most of the time, he actually checks them out himself and he actually adds to it without me even knowing, before I've even replied to anybody. But we need to download this plugin. Choose which operating system you're using. Mine's Windows 64. Press download. Open it up down the bottom here. You've got two folders in there, data and OBS plugins. Just copy them, and then we're going to go to your OBS Studio folder, which is in C drive, Program Files, or Program Files 86. Mine's in Program Files, and you're looking for OBS-Studio, all lowercase. There you go. Just paste them directly into there. If you're updating the plugin, it'll ask you to replace them. Mine's already updated, so I'm not going to do that just now. Just accept all administrative privileges, everything like that. That'll get it all installed. As soon as that's done, make sure you restart OBS if it's already open, otherwise the features will not be added. Go into OBS now. And I'm going to use this scene as my example. So I've unlocked my game cam already so I can move it around. So this is this one just here. I'm going to add it. I'm going to get it going to this roughly around the center and make it spin as well. So if you want to go more in depth with the transition plugin, like I say, check the video just here now. But to add it, we just right click on the scene that we're using. So add filters. And you can see I've already got 5 there already. So I've got my top left, my top right, they're all labeled up BLTL, everything like that. I've got my zoom, which I showed you right at the beginning, and I'm going to add a new one now. So you press the plus, go to move source. I'm going to call this move source rotation, totation apparently, test. I'm not changing that because that's what we're having. I'm going to choose the source that we're using. So right now I'm using the game cam. I've made sure I've unlocked it so I can move it around freely. And next up, we need to put it where we want the source to go. So I'm going to put it into the middle just here, okay? But not only that, I want it to be rotated a little bit. In fact, I want to put it down in the bottom right, okay? I've got a cool idea. So I'm going to right click it, edit transform. I'm going to put in the rotation that I want. So you can go up to 360 degrees and minus 360 degrees. So I'm actually going to go minus 45 degrees. So I kind of look like I'm in the corner, just like that, just as a little test. And then your positional alignment, this is where you want your anchor point to be. I prefer to use center for a lot of my stuff, because then I kind of use that as one common kind of, just so everything's uniform really. But it depends what sort of effects you want. You get different ones. Again, check out the movement plugin if you want to see the different effects that has. The video again is in the description below. So I'm just going to close that down for now. Go back to the filters, get the transform. This will get the position, the rotation, the scale, so you can change the size of it and everything like that. So in fact, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Decided. I'm going to make it a bit bigger down in the corner, just like so. Get transform again. As quick as that, you can see the positions changed, the scale's changed. I'm going to change the duration, how long it takes for it to get in that position, to a second. You can change the ease in, no ease in out, ease in and out. I'm going to do ease in and out. And then ease in functions, just play around with these. They all do different effects, okay? So I'm just going to leave it as cubic. And this is the curve on how it gets there, what the kind of path that it's going to take, the axis. So I'm just going to leave it near 0 for now. And that's it. Done. Easy as that. So if I press start, nothing's going to happen because we're already in that position. So I'm going to move my camera back to where it was. Press start. And it adds that rotation element. So you could chain a couple of these together, for instance, and have them all on different hotkeys. Or if you're using Stream Deck, you could do multiple hotkeys. What's it called? Like a macro set of keys, which is built into Stream Deck already. So now you're going to wonder how I'm doing these all on hotkeys. Because I can't do that one just yet. So I'm just going to close that down and show you exactly how to do this. Go to File in the top left and go to Settings. Go to Hotkeys, and we need to look for this scene. They're usually all in alphabetical order. So if we go all the way down to Y, I'm just scanning this really quick. So we've got Y desktop, and we've got the move source totation test, as I called it by accident. So I'm going to add in a hotkey now. I'm going to do Control Alt and I'll say 6. Apply that. Press OK. And now I'm going to press Control Alt and 6. We go straight to that position. Easy as that. Like I say, there is so many different features that you can do. It's literally, the possibilities are endless. Start chaining some of these plugins together and getting some weird stuff. Like I say, come and join me on my channel so you can get some ideas for your channel. Or even if you've got any questions or anything, I always answer everybody and give as many streaming tips as possible as I can. So come and join me at twitch.tv/AndyLippy. I'm streaming twice a day at the moment, midday and 6 PM, both British time. But that's during lockdown. I don't know what it's going to be like when lockdown's finished, but hopefully I've helped you. Press the like if you do like this video. Also subscribe because there's plenty more streaming tips that are going to be coming your way. And put your rock over the stone. Let's go!